And of course, as soon as I go back to finishing my project, here comes Darren.
You might want to do this, Mark. This has got.
Okay, I'll do this.
No, this has got to be cut out.
Okay.
I don't want a brainless person to run it.
That on there.
I thought you used the razor blade and stuff for a reason. Looks like a beaver got in there and just carved a hole with their teeth. Okay. Uh-oh.
Just being as frustrating as
Another
humanly
problem there,
possible.
Chief. You got to cut out for the lock knob.
That needs to be installed. Yeah, that's right.
You know, you got your knobs up through there. This right here is what I'm talking about. And that's going to show. Or does it have a little thing that goes in there? It must, huh? And it's probably green and you don't have it.
This room's just not big enough for all three of us. And none of them can do anything without asking me. They could. They're both pretty bright guys. They could, but they choose not to. They choose just to, they look for the next part they're ready for. I might as well put it on the time he takes.
Well, that looks pretty darn good.
Okay. Go ahead and put the window crank, window base.
Oh, what's the
Yeah,
problem here?
too much, right?
No,
Okay.
no, I'm just asking, is there a problem here? Something not in? There, well, there you go. Okay.
Just handle it, man. That's
Well, no,
just-
I didn't know without, okay. You have a new crank.
I wish I had Viagra for brains. I'd just spike everything those guys eat and drink for the next 8 weeks on it.